The Lexmark X8350 all-in-one printer plus photo combines broad office functionality with high-quality photo capabilities, helping you do more with truly professional results. In the studio with me today is Milan from Lexmark to tell us all about this new printer in their lineup. Welcome to the show.
Thanks, Melissa. It's great to be here. We're very excited about the Lexmark X8350 because it's already won a Better Buys for Business award, and it's America's most affordable 4-in-1 office printer with full photo features.
So the X8350 appeals to the business user as well as the home user. So let's talk about the business user.
The business user will get the most out of the 25 page per minute print speeds, the one-touch color copy capability, and Lexmark's exclusive Productivity Suite software. The X8350 also has a high-capacity 50-page automatic document feeder, which supports legal documents for both copying and faxing. The business user will also get a lot out of the scan features, such as scanning documents directly into email, using the included PDF tool to create PDF documents, and scanning documents directly into their favorite word processor.
Easy enough. Well, now let's talk about the home user. Let's talk about the photo features.
The home user will love the large 2.4-inch LCD, which allows them to edit and print photos without using a personal computer. The printer also has digital camera card readers and a PicBridge port. What's unique about the PicBridge port is that it supports USB flash drives, which allows the user to print JPEG images directly from the flash drive through the printer. The printer also comes with a 48-bit scanner, which allows the user to scan older photos and preserve those photos in digital format. Also, the Lexmark X8350 has a 6-color printing option. So what you do is you actually take the black ink cartridge out, swap it out with our photo cartridge, which allows you to print in 6-color mode. Specifically, you can print 4x6 images, borderless, in as little as 38 seconds.
Now, we're just about out of time. Is there anything else that we should know?
Well, like I mentioned, the Lexmark X8350 is really great for professional as well as home users. The business users will get the most out of the Productivity Suite software. The home user will benefit the most from the Imaging Studio.
Thank you so much, Milan, for stopping by and telling us all about the Lexmark X8350 all-in-one printer plus photo. You can pick up yours today at buy.com.